Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, remember to hit the subscription button. If you are already here, remember to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to be informed. Also, remember to go through my content and give my videos a liking, and also visit me on my other social media, which is my Instagram page at beexcessive_cosmetics. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Your girl Queen Burrell has got you ladies and some of the gents how to change your flat tire. So first you'll need the spare, the jack, the lug wrench, and of course the hubcap remover if you have hubcaps. You'll also need to prepare by pulling off to the roadside and ensuring that your hazard lights are on and you are parked. Remove safely, of course, remove the hubcap and apply slight leverage. Repeat around all 4 tires or wheels. Loosen the lug nuts by using the lug wrench. Some persons want to go ahead and jack up the car before, but it is recommended that you loosen the nuts and then jack the car up. You want to go ahead now and you can use the lug wrench to jack the car up. So raise it above so that the wheel is off the ground, and then you replace it. Replace the tire, that is the new wheel, with the spare that you have. And of course, that's it. You just repeat by putting on back your nuts and clean up the area, and it is like clockwork. It's time to go. So here's a little clip on how to do it versus just listening to me. Now you can actually see things in motion. All right, enjoy.